Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need a compatible TV or dongle and the YouTube app on your phone. First, make sure the TV is on the correct HDMI/input and both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This lets them see each other. Once done, open YouTube on your phone and sign in, then tap the cast icon and select your TV. This step creates a session so you can pick videos on your phone and play them on the big screen immediately. Once you select the TV, you may need to enter a short pairing code. This secures the connection between your account and that device. After pairing, choose a playback quality appropriate for your Wi-Fi. Higher resolution uses more bandwidth and prevents stuttering. Use either the TV remote or your phone to control playback, build a queue, and switch captions. Make sure the TV's YouTube app stays in the foreground, because background apps can interrupt streaming. To finish, use the phone for precise control. Add videos to the queue, use voice search for faster discovery, and switch accounts if someone else wants their subscriptions. You can also enable captions or change audio in the player settings for better clarity. If playback stutters or the TV drops connection, restart the YouTube app and the TV, reboot your router, and then repair the device. This often clears cached errors and restores a stable cast session quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.